everyone, Lisa here. Today I'm taking part in the Spread Joy Not Germs blog hop. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you are enjoying the hop. I want to share the message of hope with everyone today. I think it's something we can all benefit from right now. I'm going to try to keep this video as short as possible for you so that you can continue to hop along as quick as possible. I'm going to be using a few Whimsy Stamps products here, and I have the Grass and Cloud Edger dies, Array of Rainbows die set, and the Bold Alpha dies. I've done a lot of prep work to keep this short for you. I have a 110-pound card base, a piece of 110-pound cardstock that I've cut to 4 inches by 5 1/4 that I've placed in an embossing folder with clouds and ran through the Big Kick, a piece of black cardstock that is 4 inches wide and about 6 inches long that I've run through the Big Kick with the Clean Edge Cloud Edger die. And I have a few clouds here that I've cut from gray cardstock along with a lightning bolt cut from vellum. Now these dies are included in the Array of Rainbows die set. And next up here are the bands from the rainbow. I'm using a very soft color palette, but you could easily change this to suit your needs. So to get us started, I'm stamping my sentiment. After every storm comes a rainbow of, and for anyone wondering, I just used an alphabet stamp set and pieced the sentiment together. I'm placing the die cut black cardstock into the Misty, added anti-static powder, and I'm stamping that with white pigment ink. I'm going to add white superfine embossing powder to this. And I always like to take my time after I add the powder to come in with a brush and clean off any stray specks. Then we're going to go ahead and come in with a preheated heat gun and heat set this. Now once it's cool, I'm going to take a rag and wipe off that excess anti-static powder. I'm going to add mounting foam to the back of the black cardstock. Then I'm going to go ahead and start putting this together. I'm using my ATG gun to apply tape to the back of the cloud embossed cardstock, and I'm going to center that on a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card base. We're going to remove the paper backing from the mounting foam and go ahead and adhere this black cardstock with our sentiment to the top of our card. I'm going to go ahead and arrange those gray clouds and that lightning bolt around the sentiment. Now you can place them however you choose. It's personal preference, always is my opinion. Okay, so let's move on to the rainbow bands. I used small pieces of Post-it tape after I die cut those to hold them together so that I could flip it over and number each band. It just makes placement a breeze. Now I have a piece of Post-it tape laid there I'm using to line the bands up, and the Post-it tape just makes it easy for me to line these up nice and neat and work with them on where I want to put them on my card and then add adhesive to them. It just makes life a whole lot easier. So I used a piece of black cardstock behind there so that I could run these through my die cut machine. So I slid those bands up underneath that black cardstock on the card. And I'm just taking that cloud edger die and lining it up so that I can tack it down with some purple tape and then take it over and run it through the die cutting machine. This is going to ensure that those bands match up perfectly with what's already there on the card. I'm going to remove that black paper there, and then we're going to go ahead, add mounting foam to the back of this and place it on the card. So this should just fit right in place now, no problems. So I went ahead and I die cut the word hope from white cardstock, and I did that twice so that I could stack these together for a little bit of dimension, and then I added them across the rainbow. And as a little reminder that every cloud has a silver lining, I die cut the word hope one more time out of silver glitter cardstock to add to the card. I'm going to finish this off with a few white enamel dots up around the clouds. And then I do believe that's going to bring us to the end of this video. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you are enjoying the hop, and I hope you'll click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of new content to my channel. Now, please feel free to share this video with your crafty friends, and for more information about the products used, head over to the Whimsy Stamps website, and I hope you have an amazing day.